Okay, so hi guys. Today is Monday, June 3rd. So today came home from school and stuff. I was supposed to make this video Sunday, but I was way too tired to do the video. Plus I had, studying because I have exams coming up. So I had studying to do, but I was really tired, so I wasn't able to make this video. So I'm going to do it today. So as you guys know, May 31st was my birthday, but that day I had school. It was a Friday, so I had school, so I went to school. My school had this Child's Day like celebration for us and stuff like that. So I went to school, I had a good time, and it's kind of like a school party, if you could say. So that's basically what happened at school on Friday. So I went to school, I had a good time with my friends and stuff like that. The following day, which was the Saturday, was my birthday dinner. It wasn't really a party because I'm not that type of person I'm not the party going person all the time. I'm not that type of person. But I had a little birthday dinner, and I dressed up and stuff like that. So I'm sure yeah, you guys saw there's a few little clips of that. I'm sorry you guys didn't really get to see like a full vlog and stuff like that of how everything went, but I was busy for most of that day because I had to go out and come back in, and then I had to get my hair done, and then I had to do my makeup, and it was like to and from. So it was a bit challenging that day, but I worked through it and everything was good. So this video is I'm just mainly saying thank you to everyone who wished me happy birthday in the comment section, who commented on my dress, how I looked, whatever and whatever. Basically, this is what this video is about. I want to say thank you guys so much for all the lovely birthday wishes, belated birthday wishes, all of them. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much. It's so heartwarming to see many people out there, you might not know them too personally, but they care enough to wish you happy birthday or send you congratulations towards something. So as I said, I just wanted to I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all the lovely birthday wishes and all the nice comments and everything. Now I want to send a few shout outs to a few persons. I'm hoping I'm gonna get okay. So the first person would be Diana O, but I just call her Miss Diana because that's formal for me. So I want to send a shout out to her. Thank you so much for everything, being there for my mom and also me. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure, and I really appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. I really appreciate you. So thank you so much. And also Miss Angela Hamilton. Yes, I'm getting it right. Yes. So I want to thank her as well, or send a shout out to her as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you have done and what you continue to do. It's very heartwarming for me, and I'm very touched by it all. Also, I want to send a shout out to my mom. Now, my mom was there for me throughout this whole 16th birthday thing. She was there. She helped me a bit. She guided me, because she's not the person. She never knew a lot about this whole 16th birthday thing, but she tried her best to help out. So I want to thank my mom as well. Also, I want to thank my brother and my sister-in-law, which is Kim and Jer, as you guys know. I want to thank them both for setting up basically everything for me. The venue, the whole decoration thing, getting together, the whole thing all together, helping me choose outfits, helping me, especially to Kim, for helping with my hair and all that stuff, and the cake and everything. I just want to thank you guys so much. It was a big help. You guys were a big help because it was, how do I say, a little bit stressful kind of, because I'm not the person I don't plan a lot of things most of the times. So when I plan something and it doesn't really work out that well, it kind of frustrating, but they helped me through it, and I'm very grateful for them for helping me. And also I want to say thanks to my dad. I almost called up my dad, but My father's a very low-key person, you know, as you guys know. You don't see him at all. You hear about him, but you don't really see him at all because he's not the camera type of person. I was just like that once. I was very camera shy, but maybe my dad will eventually warm up to it, hopefully. But all again, thanks to my dad, he was also a part of helping, you know, carrying up some of the stuff and all that type of stuff on the night. So I want to say thanks to him as well. And that's basically it. Yes, and again, I want to send another shout out to all of you guys out there who sent me all the birthday wishes, everything that you guys did. So as I said, I was supposed to make this video Sunday, but I didn't get to, so now I'm making it, and I hope you guys like it and appreciate, you know, all the love I have for you guys. I appreciate all the love you guys give me and everything. So also, probably the following videos are like vlogs you see coming up on our second channel. You might not see me that much for like the month of June, because that month is exam month for me basically, and I have exams every single day, starting the 10th of June all the way to the 28th of June. And I have to start studying. Well, yeah, I started studying already, but I have to continue my studying during this week. So if you guys really don't see me that much or at all, it's because I have exams. I am very busy with it, plus, you know, homework and all that other stuff. So if you guys don't really see me, don't worry, I'm not gone. I'm just doing schoolwork and doing exams. So remember, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.